Now these numbers that we've shown here is really going to help us in case we make errors in the future. Okay, so let's go ahead and start something, and before we do anything in Java, we need at least one method to work with. So after we have created our class, let's go ahead and introduce our method. Public static void main, and we bring our parentheses and we say string args, then our square brackets. Okay, so now we have our public static void main, and we are going to open our curly braces. So now that my curly braces are open, I'm going to indent them correctly so as to know the body of my class and the body of my method. Okay, so I'll hit enter. After that, I will indent this one very well. So now I can read easily that this is the body of my method and that is the body of my class. And note that our method is inside our class. Okay, now this public static void main with string args with the square bracket is our method, and this main over here is telling us that this method is the main method that we are working with in Java. Okay, now we can have a lot of method as well, but in every program we need to get this main method. Alright, so now I'm going to print something on the screen, and to do that we type system.out.print, and after that quotes, because I want to output something on the screen, and inside the quotes I will say hello, my name is Java. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to run and see, and it's telling me that error exists in required projects. We will proceed with launch. Because I'm with error, I'm not going to proceed with that. And as we are seeing, our error is showing in line 6 over here. And what did I do wrong? What I did wrong was, instead of system B capital, I did that with a small letter. So I'll go ahead and change that to caps, and now that is no more there. Okay, so this line numbers over here is going to really help us to identify our errors very easily. So now I'll go ahead and run that once again. Okay, and it's printing hello, my name is Java. Now what if I want to print something again on the next line? So I'll go ahead, system.out.print, open parenthesis, quotes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to run this and let's see the result. Okay, and now it's saying hello, my name is Java. Okay, let's get started. Now notice that although I have printed this on line 6 and I did this on line 7, but you will notice down here that it's printing them on the same line. Okay, so what I'm saying now is, although I have my system.out.print hello, my name is Java on line 6, as we see on line 6, and I have this on line 7, but you notice down here that printing this together, instead of this okay, let's get started, coming down here, is joining them even together. Okay, so how do we fix that? Alright, to fix that, what we are going to do is, instead of print, we are going to use print line as we did in the previous tutorial. So I'll add ln, and that is going to make it print line. And what this print line is going to do is going to move the next text that I output to the next line. So now let's run that and see. Okay. Alright, and as you can see down over here now, okay, let's get started has moved to the next line. Another thing we can do is to break the line instead of using the print line. So to do that, we go inside our quoted statement and we introduce in what we call an escape character. So I will bring in the backslash and I'm going to add my n. So this escape character with n allows the next text to move to the next line. Okay, so now the print line is done away and I've introduced in the escape character with my n. This combines and move it to the next line. So let's test by running and I will click on OK. And as you can see, it's working just the same as the print line. Okay, I know this video tutorial was helpful and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.